Hello, I'm Benoît Bonello. I'm the Social Innovation Director for Suez, which is one of the top utility on water and waste management. Social impact at Suez is understood very broadly. So by social impact, we understand social aspect, environmental aspect, but due to the field we are working in, we look specifically at circular economy, inclusion, access to essential services that are the core impact we are looking for, and of course the climate, all the CO2 emissions and climate impact. What is maybe specific with social innovation as well is that we really grew bottom up. So we grew from an experience that we had in 15 years ago, basically in Bordeaux, in the southwest of France, where the group created an organization called La Maison pour Rebondir at the time, with the goal of improving the social impact, especially in terms of jobs creation and inclusion. And that's from this experience that we progressively understood what are our levels for impact through our activities. We started bottom up, and actually we really built in an entrepreneurial way, because following the experience we had with La Maison pour Rebondir in Bordeaux, we realized really that the impact happened at local scale. So we didn't want to build like a classical department dedicated to social innovation. So we decided to do other Maison pour Rebondir, so other local impact hub in places where Suez has a lot of business and levers. And so that's how we progressively built the social innovation approach. And then we created the department. And so we have a hybrid model when we sell some of our services to local BUs of Suez. And part of the model is also funded by the corporate as a corporate department. And for 30 years now, we have a social business, in-house social business dedicated to social inclusion. So that's a 100% affiliate of Suez Recycling and Recovery. And the goal of this social business is to take people that are with disadvantaged background, put them in the job, solve the solution, find solutions in terms of housing, in terms of health, in terms of mobility, and help them to actually transition to a qualifying training or a sustainable job, either at Suez or outside Suez. For us, social innovation is really how we build solutions, especially environmental solution, access to essential services solution or inclusion solution, through collaboration. We need to build coalitions. That's what we do. That's the job of social innovation, is to do coalitions, local coalitions, with, for example, reuse shops, local charities working on, I don't know, one specific waste or maybe waste prevention, working with last mile collection, social entrepreneurs. So taking all these actors together to really help the city to make the green transition. We try to see how we can be more inclusive in terms of recruitment. So for example, we build cohort of refugees, and we both help refugees to get like well integrated, have a sustainable job in France or in other countries. So we try to have like targeted actions to bring on board people that are outside of the job market, basically. It's really part of Suez DNA to work on inclusion, and it's also linked to our history and the type of jobs that we have. And we really want to leverage on that and make it a strength. It's so linked to our performance. Diversity and inclusion is really part of the way we do business. We are very careful on always, especially in terms of when we work on commercial offers, of course, but when we work on HR aspects, always to have both a positive impact for society and a positive impact for Suez. So everything we do in social innovation is really bringing value on these two sides. We never do it just for business or just for society. And that's, I think, one of the key to make something sustainable, and also to change the model, because the goal for us at Social Innovation is to make Suez really be more impactful through its activities. One of the essence of social innovation is really to get very adapted to the local context. And local contexts are different in France, in India, in Kenya, in South Africa, or in the UK. It's absolutely not the same. So we apply the same approach, but we have, of course, different issues, different partners, and especially in the business of Suez, waste or water are very local business. So even in France, between different regions, we have different kind of issues, and it's not always the same. So we cannot standardize, but the way we sell it internally is really to demonstrate that we have a positive impact for business and a positive impact for the local environment, and that we bring something to the client. If you can demonstrate that you can do it at local scale, then you can maybe make a policy around that, but we need first to demonstrate that it happened locally.